What's up guys, I'm KB Kwan from Taste of Asian Food. This video is about the most popular breakfast table in coffee shops in Malaysia and Singapore, that is kaya toast with half-boiled eggs. I've not known of anyone in Malaysia who does not know about this breakfast combination. The toast is thick slices of bread with generous spread of kaya and a slab of ice cold butter. And the egg is half-boiled, seasoned with light soy sauce, ground white pepper. And lastly, Nanyang coffee, the locally roasted coffee, to complete the jigsaw puzzle of this ultimate Malaysian Singaporean breakfast. So let's get into the details of how to make this fantastic breakfast right now. This easy recipe is divided into two parts: to make the kaya toast and to make the half-boiled egg. First, the kaya toast. You need only 3 ingredients to make the kaya toast: the thick slices of bread, ice cold butter, and the best quality kaya. First, it must be done with thick slices of bread, at least half to 1 inch thick. We purchased the loaf specially made for making kaya toast. You may use any white bread for this purpose, but it is at least best to buy the unsliced loaf to slice the bread into thick slices like this. When the first side of the bread has developed the grill mark, turn it over to continue grilling the other side. The toast should be crusty on the outside and still soft inside, and this can be achieved if you are using a thick toast. Great, when it's done, set it aside. Next, cut a few pieces of thick butter. Next, apply the kaya generously on the toast. Sandwich with the ice cold butter. Cut it lengthwise, just like how most coffee shops are doing. Look at the butter inside. It's beautiful. You can make the soft-boiled egg with a special made boiler, which is sold in most kitchenware suppliers. However, we use this simple method with a pot of boiling water to make half-boiled eggs in the restaurant. And I find that this is a far much better method. First, bring the water to a boil. Turn off the heat and place the raw eggs into the water. And then set a timer for 4 minutes. Keep the eggs in a bowl of room temperature water to stop cooking. Let's crack the half-boiled egg. It's beautiful. 4 minutes. Start with egg at room temperature. If you take your egg out from the refrigerator and it's still cold, you may need more than or slightly more than 4 minutes to achieve this texture. One more. Yes, beautiful. It is usually served with a little bit of light soy sauce and a dash of ground white pepper. Okay, that's how it's like. Let's make a comparison. This is 4 minutes. It's quite runny, but that's how most people like the texture to be. And if you want it to be more cooked, look at it, it's more cooked. It's less runny. This is 6 minutes. That's how to prepare the most iconic Malaysian and Singapore style breakfast set: half-boiled egg, kaya toast, and the local Nanyang coffee. I've left the recipe in the description below the video, and don't forget to subscribe, tap the notification bell, and give me a thumbs up. And I'll see you again in some other similar video soon. Bye for now.